welcome to Bitcoin Philosophies, where we explore the various philosophical ideas behind the most revolutionary technology of our time, Bitcoin. In today's episode, we will be discussing the Cypherpunk Ethos and its influence on Bitcoin. The Cypherpunk movement was born in the 1980s and was focused on the use of cryptography to protect privacy and promote individual freedoms. This philosophy had a significant impact on the creation of Bitcoin and its underlying technology, the blockchain. Bitcoin was designed to be decentralized and trustless, which means that it allows individuals to transact with each other without the need for a middleman. This design was inspired by the Cypherpunk philosophy of promoting individual freedoms and privacy. The Cypherpunk ethos is still very relevant today as we continue to see an erosion of privacy and individual freedoms in our increasingly digital world. Bitcoin provides an alternative that allows individuals to take control of their own financial lives and protect their privacy. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating Bitcoin philosophy. And remember, we are Bitcoin.